Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write a while loop in Python. A while loop is basically something that keeps executing the same statements of code until the condition of the loop is false. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to loop through until a valid option is entered by the user, and when that's entered then I'm going to stop looping. So I've got while not valid option entered. I'm going to read a user input. I'm going to ask the user to enter a number between 1 and 10, and they'll be inclusive of 1 and 10. Then I'm going to cast that to an integer. So if the number is greater than or equal to 1, and the number is less than or equal to 10, then it's going to meet my condition, and I can set that there's a valid option that's been entered, so I can set that boolean to be true, which will cause the loop to break out once it gets back to the loop condition. And I'm going to print out what my option entered was, so that it's clear to the user basically what the valid option was. So I'm using string formatting for this, and that lets you put the variable inside the string without concatenation. And then I'm just going to run this code. So I'm entering a number, and 0 shouldn't be accepted and 11 shouldn't be accepted, and anything outside this range shouldn't be accepted, but anything between 1 and 10 should be accepted. So I tried 0, it asked for more input. I tried 11, it asked for more input. I entered 1 and it said that that was a valid option. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today, and if you have, please like and subscribe for more content.